Welcome back to the Less is Now challenge. We're on January 20th, where we find 20 items in the house that we no longer need or use. And the first thing I have here is what's called a, let's see, it's called, you see that? A spicy shelf. And this actually works. It was one of those things that were sold on TVs, you know, as seen on TV type thing. And you set it up and you adjust it how you want to fit into your shelf, and you put spices on top and spices on the bottom. And it actually works 100%, no problem. But the thing is, I have 4 of them, and the shelf this was on, the shelf was already completely empty. So I wasn't using it. So that's why that's going. The next thing I have is 3 of these bowls. I bought them because they were really cute and I thought we could put ice cream in them. But we have soup bowls already, so I don't see why we need to have multiple bowls when the same bowl will do the job. So there's 3 of those that are going. Another thing that are going are these little, I guess you could be soy sauce dishes, dip dishes, little anything for a little sauce. Like, I bought the set of 4 at the Salvation Army. It was only like $1, I think $2 for my son's nugget sauce, but we never used the other 3. We only needed 1, so I'm going to get rid of these 3, and I kept 1 obviously. Next thing is going is some gingerbread spices by the Epicure company. And the Epicure company is really amazing stuff. They really sell amazing items. But I've had this one for a few years and I still haven't used it. So that spice is going. The next one we have is pumpkin pie spice. Same company, same amazing stuff. I have used a lot of it, but I haven't used it in a long time. So that's gonna go. See, next is food coloring. I don't know when I used this last. It's been a few years, I would say. Doesn't go bad, so that's gonna go. Another thing is we have a pure star anise extract. We have a rum extract. I'm a huge baker. I used to bake all the time. We have an imitation almond extract that's going. But what I noticed was I had so many. This is maple extract. I had so many and I had them in the cupboard for such a long time. This is imitation coconut extract. What I noticed was, because there's a lot of alcohol in these, I had an orange one. And the orange one actually, I went to get it out of the cupboard and it was empty because it evaporated. And I have a pure lemon extract. So if you don't use them after a while, they evaporate. And, you know, you literally bought something for nothing. After that, I have a #1 birthday candle. I have another #1 birthday candle. My son was 11 last year. And I have yet another #1 birthday candle. So why do I have 3? I couldn't tell you. Plus, you know, my son's getting older. He's not really a kid anymore. So those will go. And the last thing to make up 20 items is another one of those silly little clip things. I actually have a whole bunch of these. So that makes my 20th item for the Less is Now challenge. I'm going to find homes for all this stuff. Most of this will be put on a local free group for my area on Facebook. And I'm telling you, you can get rid of anything on a free group. People will take anything. It doesn't matter if it's expired. You just tell them it's expired. Nothing here is expired, obviously. But you can find homes for almost all your stuff without having to throw it in the garbage. So that's day 20th, January 20th, and I hope to see you tomorrow as we continue the Less is Now challenge.